Country of origin: United States. Red oval aluminum reflector ideal for safety applications. Package dimensions: 13.462 L by 1.524 hx 668 W centimeters. Acrylic lens in low-profile aluminum housing, completely rust-proof. Used to mark driveways, trees, or anything else. Easy to install and ideal for any safety application. Fit type: universal fit. This reflector can be used on trailers, trucks, school buses, agricultural equipment and more. 3-diameter acrylic lens in low-profile aluminum housing. Completely rust-proof. Acrylic lens in low-profile aluminum housing, completely rust-proof. 3-15/16 inch CTC mounting holes, 3-3/4 inch height x 4-1/2 inch width overall. 3-inch diameter acrylic lens in low-profile, oval, aluminum housing that is rust-proof. V472 series contains one reflector red color 3-diameter acrylic lens in low-profile aluminum housing. Completely rust-proof. Available in red or amber. 4-1/2 WX 3-3/4 H. Packaged. Top reviews from the United States. Works like an old-fashioned reflector. I purchased a package of reflectors on Amazon that were built into a plastic housing. The reflective quality was unbelievably poor. I should have returned them on time for a refund, but too busy I guess. I searched again for reflectors housed in an aluminum housing, and these are excellent.